to my channel.
Find the inverse of each function. We have the first given, which is f of x is equal to 5 minus 3x over 2. Okay, f of x, palitan natin yan ng y. Then copy itong given na function. 3x over 2. Then, i-interchange yan. Yung y at x. Ibig sabihin, y ay magiging x, tapos si x naman, magiging y. So, let's make this as x. Then, 5 minus 3y. Yan, nag-interchange na sila. Over 2. Then, para hindi ma-confuse, mag-over 1 tayo kasi i-cross multiply man natin yan. Remember, kukunin natin yung inverse ng function na to. So, meaning, let's start multiplying. 2x equals. Okay, since 1 yan, just copy 5 minus 3y. Then, uulitin ko, dapat yung pinaka-last, yung y. Kumbaga siya yung inverse. So, since incomplete pa man to, mag-combine muna natin. Mag-combine muna tayo. I-combine natin yung mga terms na kailangan para makuha natin yung inverse ng function na to. Okay, ito si positive 5. So, let's copy 2x. Si positive 5, when you transpose, magiging negative 5 na yan. Then, copy the remaining term, negative 3y. Okay. So, hindi pa tayo nakarating sa y kasi meron pang nakasabit na negative 3. So, let's divide negative 3 by itself sa right. Do it equally sa right and left. Negative 3, negative 3. Then cancel. We have now this y, 2x minus 5 over negative 3. Or let's formally write this as the inverse function is 2x minus 5 over negative 3. Okay, so far, ito yung nakuha natin na inverse function nito. But how would we know na we are correct? Siyempre, paborito ko yung part na mag-checking. Let's do checking. That's the best time. This is the best way on how to know if our answer is correct or not. Okay? This means, i-replace natin ito, i-substitute natin ito kay y later. So, ibig sabihin, we will use this equation. Okay, copy first, x equals 5 minus 3y over 2. We copy this because we will be replacing y to this given inverse function. Okay, let's start. We will see if si x ba will be equal to itself. So, let's copy x equals 5 minus 3 Then copy this inverse. 2x minus 5 over negative 3. Do not forget to write, okay, over 2. Okay? Kasi ito man yung function dyan, substitute sa y, tapos do not forget to write over 2. Kasi pag hindi yan i-copy or include, ma-violate. Hindi ka makakome up with the correct answer. Copy x equals, okay, 5, negative 3 times 2x, that's negative 6x. Then negative 3 times negative 5, that's positive 15. Over negative 3. Okay, remember, ito si negative 3 ay nabilong lamang siya sa dalawang terms na ito. So, dito lang siya dapat naka-align. Then, do not forget again to write over 2. Kasi baka ma-confuse na. Okay, dito ko muna isusulat initially. Okay, 5, copy 5. Then, negative 6x divided by negative 3. That is positive 2x. Then, positive 15 divided by 3. That's negative 5. Okay? Over 2. Simplified na yan. Deleted na. Canceled na si negative 3. Simplified ko naman ito. Si negative 6 divided by negative 3 and then positive 15 divided by 3. Kaya yan ang itsura. Then write the constant 2. Okay. Let's write another x. Okay. 5 plus negative 5 or 5 minus 5. That's cancel or 0. Now, 2 divided by 2. Of course, cancel. What is the remaining term? It's x. So meaning, tama pala tayo kasi si x is equal to itself. Okay. Let's proceed with the second function. F of x or y. Then, x plus 1 or the cube root of x plus 1. Before ako mag-proceed, dapat i-convert ko muna ito into exponential form. Ibig sabihin, x plus 1 raised to the power of 1/3. If 2 yung index, 1/2 ang ilalagay ko na exponent. But since 3 yung na-emphasize, ayan, sinulat ko talaga ha, ang exponent is 1/3. Remember, do not be confused. Pag may radical sign or radical symbol, you have to convert that first in exponential form bago i-simplify. Okay? Now, mag-interchange na naman tayo. Katulad ng ginawa natin sa letter A, ganun din ang sa letter B na dapat i-interchange or palitan, magpalitan silang dalawa. Itong si Y, magiging X. Tapos, si X naman ay magiging Y plus 1 raised to the power of 1/3. Okay. Ngayon, paano nga ba na ma-remove ang exponent na yan? Siyempre, ganito lang ang gawin. i-multiply mo ang exponent by 3. Bakit 3? Kasi para makancel mo yan. Katulad nito, limbawa, pag 1/3, i-times mo kay 3, syempre over 1 yan, cancel yan. But if 2, syempre 1/2, i-times mo sa 2 para makancel. Ganun lang kasimple. Then, syempre, distribute mo yan si 3 sa right and left. So, the x now becomes cube. Then, since kansilado na yan, ito, kansilado na. This now becomes y plus 1. And kansilado na. Plus 1. Then, dapat mag-end up tayo ng inverse. So, meaning, dapat yung matira is y talaga. So, we have to transpose 1. So, x raised to the power of 3 or x cubed. Then, positive 1, pag matranspose mo yan, magiging negative 1. So, negative 1, y. Or, the inverse of the function is x cubed, negative 1. So, paano ba malaman kung tama tayo? Siyempre, katulad ng ginawa natin sa letter A, mag-checking din. Para patas ang laban. Para makikita natin kung may violation ba kung nagawa o wala. Okay. Ito ang kopyahin natin. Itong yan. Huwag isali yung 3 ha, kasi ginamit ko lang yan para makancel yung exponent. Pero yung parang secondary na equation, yung x na. Kasi ito man yung original. Tapos ito na yung susundan natin. As usual, i-substitute natin ito kung mag-equal ba ito sa original na function. Okay. Kukupihin ko ulit. X equals y plus 1 raised to the power of 3. Okay. Then copy ulit. Tapos, itong inverse na nakuha natin, yun ang i-replace natin sa y. Okay. X cubed minus 1 plus 1. Then, raised to the power of 1/3. Okay, we will see kung si x ba ay mag-equal to itself. So, x cubed. So, negative 1 plus 1, automatic 0, eliminated. So, ang natira, ito na. One-third. Now, three times 1/3. Cancel. So, meaning, what is left? X equals x. This means that we have ended up with the correct answer. Our inverse function is correct. Just like in the first function, it is also correct. So what is important is mag-checking talaga para malalaman kung ang mga sagot natin ay tama. Tsaka pag hindi siya tatama, ibig sabihin, meron tayong mga violations. Sana meron na naman kayong naintindihan. Sa next topic, sana abangan nyo po. Maraming salamat.